guys, what is up? Welcome back. Today's video I am going to be showing you what I got at Trader Joe's and also what I am eating today. This video is great motivation for me to kind of like get back on track, get back on the wagon, and start eating some actual food. For those of you that are new here, I actually went back to work. I was a stay-at-home mom and I went back to work at the end of August, early September. And truly, like, I was doing really well back then, eating a lot of healthy foods on my weight loss journey, and I've messed that all up. I really, for the past like 2 months, haven't eaten anything of nutritional value, and I'm definitely feeling it, and I really need to get back on track, and I really need to start eating healthy, especially with the holidays around the corner. Like, I really want to have a lot of energy, and I want to feel my best, so that's what today's video is. I hope it helps you guys out if you guys are struggling as well. I was joking with my friend the other day, and I didn't just like fall off the wagon, like the wagon ran me over. So need to get back on top of that and need to hit the ground running in 2019. So that's what today's video is. I hope you enjoy it, and let me show you what I got at Trader Joe's. Here's everything I got at Trader Joe's, and I will show you. So I picked up a butter. That's just a staple. I needed some shredded cheese. I got a huge bag of sweet potatoes. I don't know how many pounds. Oh, it's 2 pounds. Bananas just to eat or for smoothies. I did get actually a lot of bananas. Apples. These are avocados. Evelyn loves yogurt, so I always get yogurt like for her lunch boxes and stuff. So this is just like Trader Joe's brand yogurt. It's really good. Eggs. And I'm really excited about these. What, honey? What are you doing? You eating a granola bar?
Yeah.
That's also from Trader Joe's?
Yeah.
Yeah, you love those, huh? You were a big helper today.
Yeah.
Yeah, even though you're a little sick. Are you sick?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit. You got a stuffy nose. But you were
I am tiny sick.
a little bit sick, yeah. But you were a big helper today at Trader Joe's.
Yeah.
Yeah. And look, you got all stickers. Look, how many stickers do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You have 5 stickers from Trader Joe's. That's so exciting. So I'm really excited about these. We've really been getting into smoothies. Chris more so me, but I bought these just because I think that they would be good. They're acai puree packets, so they're just like blended up acai berries, and they are frozen. So you can just like throw these in a smoothie, and I think that these are going to be really good. I got dates. Dates are one of my favorite things. Oh my goodness, like I love them for like a nice treat with like a bowl of fruit. Oh, so good. Grapes, raspberries, strawberries are Evelyn's favorite, so I made sure to get these. Cinnamon rolls, because I don't think there's anything better on like a Sunday morning than cinnamon rolls. Like Thanksgiving morning, Christmas morning, you gotta have cinnamon rolls. What's next? This is honestly, like, these two things are one of my favorite things to buy at Trader Joe's. It's their fried rice and also their pork gyoza. Honestly, guys, these are so good. Such a good alternative to like ordering takeout. These are so good. Cream cheese, because I just needed cream cheese. I got their pepperoni. I really like their pepperoni. It's not super expensive either. 2 mangoes. I have a red onion. I don't know what I'm going to make with that, but I always like to get a red onion. I have limes. I have lemons. Evelyn picked out the cereal. Every once in a while we let her pick out cereal, and she always picks out like the most unhealthy cereal ever. So this will just be like a nice little treat for her. We get cereal bars, which she also picked out, and we just really like these, to have these as like a snack in the morning, or put them in our lunchbox. And then finally, I got these ultimate vanilla wafers. So excited about these.
And cookies. It's cookies.
Yes, and cookies. Those are so good to have with like a cup of coffee in the morning. So that is everything I got. Not too bad for everything. It was just about $70. What do you think? Do you think that was a good price?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you think Trader Joe's is very reasonably priced?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I think that they're pretty good. So yeah, so I think it's a pretty good deal. Like I said, just under $70. I love Trader Joe's. I shop there every week. Say, we love Trader Joe's.
We love Trader Joe's.
Yeah. So now that Trader Joe's is out of the way, let me catch you up on what I'm having today. So we're having a late start to the morning. It is 9:17. I'm working from home today, so I actually got up around like 5:30, and I did a little bit of work this morning, so I haven't eaten breakfast yet. Like I said, I got up, worked before my daughter woke up, and then got her ready, brought her to school, and now here I am talking to you guys. So it's 9:17. This is definitely late for me. I definitely like to eat before now, but just because of, you know, what today is. So I've already had a cup of coffee though. I did have a cup of coffee at like 6 o'clock this morning, and I just had milk and 1 sugar in it. So I'm gonna eat breakfast and I'm gonna have another cup of coffee with milk and 1 sugar in it. So this is breakfast. I have an English muffin with this cinnamon almond butter. It is so good, guys. You can get this at Target. I love this so much. I love the vanilla one as well. So I am having that. 2 dates. I love dates. Oh my goodness. I've always wanted to try a real date. You know, I've never tried a real date. Like, well, not a real one. That's not what I'm saying. A fresh date. And raspberries. Love raspberries. Super high in fiber. I know you guys saw the Trader Joe's haul, but these are the dates that I would get from Trader Joe's. And like I said, these are obviously real dates. But I've always wanted to try like a super fresh one. Like supposedly they're like really squishy and stuff. Like I said, I've never tried one, so maybe that will be something that I look for. All right, guys. So let me catch you up. It is 4:30. It's been a while, but I'm gonna try. I'll put it up on the screen. I'm pretty sure I can do that. I stopped working at like 12:30. So. And then I had to like run out and do a bunch of errands, and I honestly like didn't have time to like have like a proper lunch, I guess. So I had some cheese and I had some grapes. I've also had another cup of coffee, so I'm on 3 cups of coffee. And then I ran out the door to get my errands done. I am back. I've just kind of been chilling out. I am having a snack right now though. It's not the best snack, but I'm all about being real and honest with you. These are so good. I'm definitely not eating the whole bag. But yeah, so I did want to just quickly check in with you. I'm all done eating until dinner time. I'm probably gonna eat after Ev goes to bed, which will be around 7. So I will check in with you then. So it's 6:49 and I am just about to sit down to eat my dinner. This is just some green beans, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and then Chris actually made this delicious like sriracha barbecue chicken. So that is going to be my dinner. Oh man, this makeup has seen better days. I'm sorry, the TV's on and I'm sitting right in front of the TV. So I just want to get you guys like kind of caught up like where my brain is and why I decided to do this video and stuff like that. I know I have a lot of new subscribers, or if this is just your first time tuning in. So I have really been trying to lose weight pretty much all of 2018. I guess what a flop for a New Year's resolution. I didn't achieve that at all. I've been trying to lose 20 pounds for a year now. And a lot of my, I'm sure like returning subscribers or just people that have been following me have been like, oh my God, like stop talking about, like it's true. Like I'm getting tired of hearing myself talk about it, but whatever. So, like I said, I was a stay-at-home mom and I went back to work at the end of August, beginning of September. And really since then, so over the summer, I lost about 8 pounds, which I was really, really happy with. And I did actually a lot of like, cook with me's and a lot of what I eat in the days like over the summer because I was doing so well. And like I said, I think I had lost about 8 pounds. And then I went back to work and that all went to hell. I really, my scale is not broken, but it's out of batteries and I just haven't replaced them. But I haven't weighed myself in probably well over a month, and I haven't gone to the gym in well over a month, probably even 2 months. Just kind of like the hustle and the bustle of going back to work, and my husband got on a new schedule for work, so it was just a lot of changes and a lot of kind of like readjusting. So I remember really it was my birthday. So my birthday was the end of October. I'm sorry, my birthday was the beginning of October. And I very much remember like that Monday after my birthday weekend, I was not the same. Like my belly was just so bloated. And it was just awful. Like that entire weekend, like I don't think I ate a vegetable. Like it was just like pizza and buffalo chicken dip and a lot of alcohol. And it was not good. And I mean, honestly, I haven't weighed myself, so maybe I have. I don't think I've gained, like I do feel like I've gained the 8 pounds back, but maybe I haven't. Maybe I've lost weight. It just doesn't feel like it, and I don't feel good. Like my belly, I'm still dealing with like a ton of bloating in my belly. And honestly, like I feel like I never recovered from my birthday weekend. Like I feel like I never got better after that. And then I was sick for a full week in October, and that just kind of threw me off. I missed like 3 weeks of uploading on YouTube because of that. So that was kind of the point of this video, is I really need to get back on track, and I need to like start eating real food. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I was joking, like I didn't fall off the wagon, like the wagon ran me over. And my diet has really been trash. So I know that today wasn't perfect, and I know that there's still a lot of room for improvement. Maybe that's just all in my head, but I feel like I did better. I didn't snack as much as I normally do, because snacking really is my downfall, especially at night. So I'm gonna try my hardest to be good tonight and not snack all night. So, but yeah, that's what I wanted to just kind of like update you guys and like share with you where I'm at and where my head is. And I would really like to start doing, I think it's going to be more of a 2019 thing, because I feel like I don't really feel like people are really interested in health and fitness right now. I think everybody's just like working on the holidays and stuff. But I definitely would like to start in 2019, like health and fitness vlogs, like kind of like I do day in the life vlogs as a mom. I would love to do like day in the life vlogs of health and fitness. Especially in the new year, everybody gets on those new year, new me, you know, trains, and that would hold me accountable too, since I have to do the vlogs. So yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think of this video, and I don't know if you're feeling kind of the same way, or if you're struggling with your weight. I'd love to hear about it. I'd love to talk about it in the comments. So yeah, so I love you guys. I hope this video was helpful in any way, shape, or form, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.